Good afternoon. Welcome to day 13. It is the 13th. It's Friday the 13th. It's almost 4 o'clock, so Jacob's about to get off work. My days have been crazy. So woke up. My mom came into town this morning. She was here at like 8. She watched the kids because I had to go over and do some stuff for my natural skincare makeup business. Because we have 2 events tomorrow that we are doing. So I had to go over and help my business partner with that. And I completely forgot to film. My mom calls me around there and tells me that my dog got out. Luna, our newest dog. And she doesn't have a tag yet. I've ordered it, but it's just not here yet. I think it'll be here sometime middle of next week or something like that. So I'm freaking out, and then she's like, hold on, and then I end the call, and then she calls me like 2 times, and she tells me that they've got him, but then she got loose again, and she is home. She's here. She's good. Thank goodness. Right now I'm going ahead and making dinner. We're kind of having like a Christmassy, Thanksgiving-y type dinner. We have like a small ham and a small sliced turkey, and then I'm making cranberry sauce and corn pudding, and then we have rolls. Also, I was wearing this shirt yesterday, but I ended up like taking it off like halfway throughout the day. So my other clothes were kind of like dirty from doing that work earlier this morning. So I just threw this on, honestly. But yeah, I don't know how much footage. I'm going to try to get some today. Well, maybe not much more today. Because they're going to come back over. They just went to check into their hotel now. Jacob's going to come home. Both kids are napping because they didn't really nap well when I was gone. So they're napping. I'll try to get some footage of our events tomorrow. I don't know how much I'll be able to film with it being a double event, and then also my mom being in town. So that's the plan for Saturday. Sunday, I think we're going to watch the football games, and we are supposed to be going shopping with my aunt that I've mentioned in a couple other videos. Sorry, Bruno's tail is hitting the, and that's getting worse because I've touched it. He's hitting the shower curtain. Then Monday, they're here Monday, but Monday is their last day. But Monday would be the last day of these set of vlogs. So we'll see how well this set of vlogs goes. I'm going to try to get footage, but I'm not going to force it, like, knowing that I want to spend time with my family. Here's a baby shot. Who's a good boy? He's a good boy. He's my big silly head. Okay, so I just wanted to check in. Welcome to day 14. It is the 14th. I am, well, actually, I'm at an event. I'm just waiting on my business partner to get here so we can go and set up. And then I actually have to set up with her, get the stuff that I need, and then go back home, feed Evie again, pick up Jacob. My mom, who's in town, is going to watch the kids, and we're going to go. It is somebody he works with, like, Christmas party, but he actually requested that I come and set up and show off product. So that was super cool and super nice. I mean, did not have to do that. So we will be then doing that. So super exciting stuff. But again, kind of busy, kind of a busy day. And then, like I said, tomorrow we do have plans with my aunt. Those are officially solidified. So like I said, I don't know how much is going to be in this set of vlogs. It might just be like a lot of updates. Oh, we did make these cookies. And if I remember, I will put the recipe. I will show a clip of the recipe so then you can take a picture of it. We made these hot chocolate cookies. Guys, they were delicious. And first off, I kind of messed them up. I used probably, I just didn't want to we have got this big bag of flour, and I didn't want to get it down. And, I didn't want to get the flour down and open it because it's literally a Costco huge size bag. And so I was like a 1/4 cup of flour short. So I just added 2 more packs of hot chocolate, and it ended up making basically like a sheet, but it was okay. We kind of just broke it off, but it was so delicious. And so I think I am going to make them again for whenever we go to like our Christmases that we are going to be going to. I'll probably make it again, but I might intentionally make it a sheet. I was also lazy, and I made them a lot bigger, and I just used one pan instead of probably two, because it said that it made 36 cookies, but I'm probably going to be intentional and just make it like a sheet, like a giant sheet, and then I think we're going to take cookie cutters and cut out the cookies, and then, you know, Jake and I will just eat the weird parts, like what's left from doing the cookie cutter. We'll save that then for ourselves, because they're really good, and I want other people to try them because they are delicious. So yeah. That's all. Good morning, you all. Welcome. Today 15, I think today's today's the 16th. Yeah. Ooh, wow. I didn't check in yesterday because it was just like a big family day yesterday. So I didn't check in. Right now I'm doing some laundry. Today's the last day that my mom is here. So she should be here in just a little bit. It's raining. It's real nasty outside. I really need to take a shower. Again, I don't know how much I'm going to check in today. I am going to show you the recipes for those cookies as soon as I start this load of laundry. Okay, so this is the recipe. I'll have to show you the back here in just a second. I'll go ahead and flip it. So here's the recipe. It's really, really simple. The only thing that I didn't make them as small as you were probably supposed to. I also didn't chill it for as long as you were supposed to. And I cooked it for longer because I had bigger balls. I also did 6 packages of hot cocoa mix and probably really just like 3 cups all around of flour. But they didn't like set up. They just kind of spread out, and they were so delicious and gooey and yummy. And I would highly recommend this recipe. It was really, really easy. And most of these things I already had. Actually, we had all of these things. That's why we made these. The only thing you might not have is hot cocoa mix. Do you ever have those days where you feel like you've done a million things, yet nothing is done? That's how I'm feeling right now. So what I need to do is I need to make a list of things that I want to do today, get done today. So that way then I can check them off. Because I know that always makes me feel better, and I can actually see what I'm doing, and then I can feel like I've done something. Does that make sense? I'm sure it does to somebody. Okay, you all, so sorry for the bad quality, but I'm going to sign off here. I will have all my platforms linked down below. And yeah, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.